This is Bronx Lock Picker 60, yet with another package. And this one comes to me from a good friend of mine, Matt Wilson. Thanks, Matt, for doing this this swap. I know I appreciate it, and I know you did as well. Everyone, Matt Wilson has a YouTube channel. He's a fellow picker, and he designs picking tools and pins and really neat stuff like that. So if you can subscribe to his channel, that would be greatly appreciated from both of us. I already know what's in here. Like I said, we did a swap, Matt and I, for a fellow friend of ours, a mutual one that I had no idea that we were, we're both friends of same person, and this person will be Randy Perkins. Thanks a lot, Randy Perkins. I hope you enjoyed what you received, my man. I hope to see you pick it on the channel, my man. So without further ado, let's get into this bad boy. I zoomed in a little bit. Actually, that's a little bit too much. There we go. Set this aside. First lock we have. And he sent me some homemade pens that he made. I'll get these out of here so we can get a gander at this. This is a... Sure the pins are not on there. I can tell you what it is. I was just hoping you can see it. It might be too much glare. It's an 83 AL 45, and it's a series. I don't know if that's a series 2, but it's an ABUS titanium with a 6-pin Schlage core. It's a beautiful lock, man. Beautiful lock, man. You hear that bad boy? And I believe it's key retaining as well. Yep, it's key retaining. So that's awesome. And let's get these pins out here so I can show you these pins that he made himself. Check out those pens. I like that. I'm trying to do this on this one right there, the deep spool. I mean, they're all beautiful. So, yeah, pretty neat. So check out his channel, man. He's really good at what he does, man. He's been manufacturing things by hand since he was a child, and he's an awesome picker too. So, let's see what's next. These two locks are my first time I ever had one, and this is a RUKO, and that's the bidding. And it's my first RUKO. So I'm hoping to see what this is like. And this bad boy here too. Yep. Oh, come on. It's throwing the glare back. That's why it's it goes dim. But yeah. I'm still feeling crappy, and I have a couple of more packages to do a video for, and then I'll start cranking out more videos on picking the locks that came in these packages. And boy, that's a lot. So everyone, thanks for watching. Matt, thanks my man for doing this. These are awesome locks, man. I love them, man. And they will not leave my hands, man. They won't leave this house. So if you guys like what I do, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, guys. Randy, you have a good one, buddy. Bye-bye.